Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies without butter. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a baking sheet. Combine 1 cup rolled oats, 1 cup flour, and leavening in a bowl. In another bowl, mix 1/2 cup oil or 1/2 cup applesauce with sugar and egg, then stir wet into dry. Fold in mix-ins, scoop dough, and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. I like to keep ingredients simple and flexible for home baking. Use mild oil or applesauce depending on desired richness. Brown sugar adds moisture and chewiness, while white sugar boosts crisp edges. Cinnamon or vanilla brings warm aroma without overpowering oats. If you want to chew your cookie, use more oats or chill the dough slightly before baking. Small changes make a big difference in texture and flavor. Baking technique determines whether your cookies are soft or crisp. Scoop even portions to ensure consistent baking and press each mound a little for a flatter cookie. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until edges turn golden while centers remain slightly soft. Let cookies cool on the sheet for about 5 minutes so the centers set and edges crisp. This gives a perfectly balanced texture every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.